going to be a pretty quick video tonight, actually. A very quick video tonight because, again, I've left my run a bit late for making video, but I'm excited to just try. I've got this idea of what I want to paint, a dark kind of seascape. I'm using a 2-inch Holbein Hake here. This is my new favourite brush. And I'm just going to cover the page with water. Nice. Wet it all, and then I'm going to bring in a little bit of yellow. Bit of Winsor yellow. Not too much, across the horizon here, and then up into here. Not much at all. Maybe a tiny bit stronger. And up into here. And that's about it. Right, I'll rinse out. I think what I'll do is it's going to come in initially with the cobalt blue. We'll come in with a sort of cobalt blue, so in around here, up into here, we'll leave some white bits, spray out down there. I'm just going to grab some mix of Winsor Blue Red Shade Light Red. Just load up with that. It's come in super dark up in here. And a bit more dark here. A bit more dark. A bit more dark. Alright, I'm just going to dry this quickly. Right, next thing I'm going to do is just spray a bit out from up in the top here, down here. Just leave it like this for a bit while it just picks up a bit of that pigment and just brings it down. Right, I'm just going to dry this. Alright, I'm just going to grab another. This is a 2.5-inch Holbein Hake. A bit more Winsor yellow, and this time the spray bottle. And we're just going to I just might give it a bit of a tilt. You guys can still see. I'm just going to come in here, spray a bit, and just come in here. Just try and get a bit of angle. Beautiful. All right, let's dry this. All right, I'm just going to get the Hake brush loaded up with the Winsor Blue Red Shade Light Red. I'm just going to come in again, super dark, super dark. Spray a bit. Come in super dark. Spray. Ooh. Spray a bit. Come in right up in here. Nice. We'll get a little bit more. Just get a 1-inch Hake. Just beautiful. All right, let's try this again. All right, let's put on the horizon with some 3M Magic Tape. We'll grab this brush, it's got the dark. Just load up, just come in with that dark, super dark. We're just gonna come in here, there's some wavy bits there. Come in with a 1-inch shake. Grab a bit of this cobalt turquoise and just bring it in here. We'll just spray a bit. And then we'll just grab a bit of the a bit of this bleed proof white. We'll just see how this goes. Act pretty quick. See if we can just chuck on some waves here. Just flick it on a bit. All right, let's just quickly dry this. All right, we're just going to come in and just make him some cohesion. We'll just spray all over, and I'll just come in with a little bit of yellow. Just spray and just get a little bit of yellow down to here. Get a little bit of this dark. Ooh. Cool. All right, let's dry it. Grab a razor. Right, thanks for joining me in this very quick watercolour speed painting. If you like this, please, please press like, and if you want to know about future videos, press the subscribe button, press the bell button. If you want some more help with your watercolours, then join me on Patreon. Thanks guys, thanks for your support and watching these and all that. I hope they're helpful, and I'll see you guys next week. Good night, bye.